Meanwhile, the first witness in the Sindiso Magaqa murder trial has told the court that they were attacked after raising questions about irregular expenditure in the refurbishment of the uMzimkhulu Memorial Hall. Jabuline Msiya says they realized that the construction work done did not justify the expenditure recorded in the municipal financial records. Newzroom Afrika's Nobuhle Modise reports.
The murder trial of former ANC Youth League Secretary General Sindiso Magaqa officially began today after almost 6 grueling years. Magaqa was gunned down in July 2017 with colleagues Jabuline Msiya and Nontsikelelo. He later succumbed to his injuries in September of the same year. Today, the 4 accused in the matter have pleaded not guilty to all 11 charges. Those charges range from conspiracy to commit murder, attempted murder, the possession of illegal ammunition and firearms, as well as malicious damage to property. The first witness took the stand today, and that is Jabuline Msiya, who was the lady who was with him in the car on the day of the fatal shooting, and she has testified today, also getting into detail about that Memorial Hall lecture which was under construction and which is what sent the bells ringing and essentially led to his demise. She got into detail about how she and Magaqa discovered that there was some irregularity when it comes to the construction of that particular hall. She says the work on the ground did not match the expenditure that was recorded on the reports. She's also saying that they were no longer being called for monthly meetings as she was a member of the Executive Council. She then says after that an Auditor General came into the fold and investigated and found that indeed there were irregularities that she says she doesn't remember the correct amount, amounted to around plus minus 17 million rand at the time, and that was not for the entire project but the phase of the project at the time. That particular project did start before the year 2015, and so she says that 17 million rand irregularity is with regards to the phase that that project was in at the time. She also got into detail about the fact that a regional conference was supposed to sit before the December 2017 ANC elective conference, and Magaqa was earmarked for a deputy secretary position within the region. She says that was also one of the contributing factors to why he was also seen as a problem, because he would then have the powers to monitor what the municipal manager at the time, who was really Pansis Kosana, also known as Rambo, he would be able to monitor what he's doing. She says that following that Asia report that there was irregularities, she sat with the committee and they didn't agree on what needs to be done next. They then took the matter to the council, who also wouldn't agree, and she says majority voted that a decision or an investigation rather should not be done by an outside body but should be done by MPAC, which is responsible for investigating matters within the municipality. Tomorrow they carry on with her testimony, and he will then, the advocate that is, will then get into the detail of what exactly happened on that day, July 2017. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Nobuhle Modise at the KwaZulu-Natal High Court in Pietermaritzburg.